welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning. And as always, thank you guys for all your support and love. In today's video, as the title says, I'm going to show you how to restring a pair of pants. It could be shorts, sweatpants, pajama pants. In my case, it's a sweatpants for my daughter. I'm sorry, not a sweatpants. It is a pajama pants for my daughter. And the string actually came out of the pajama pants, and I'm gonna go ahead and string it back up. So guys, the only thing you will need today would be a safety pin and the string. So that's all you need is the string and the safety pin. All right guys, here goes the restringing. It's a very simple process, but you just need a little bit of patience to do it. So as you push the safety pin through, just go ahead and hold it and pull the string. Push through, push, 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 pull the string. Push through. All right. Just keep doing the same process, guys. Push, push, push. You're gonna push and then you're gonna pull the pants. And just take your time so the safety pin does not get undone, and then you might have to start over. So just take your time and push. Guys, look, I am here. So that is it. I've now restring the pants, and there you have it. You can kind of make your string evenly, but there you have it.